Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C260 SD card slot. People usually ask where I can install the SD card on this camera. Okay, I have the camera already working here, close to my window. And as you can see here, when I come to the playback and download, I don't have any video recorded because the microSD card is not there. So I just need to install one. I have this one here from Lexar. So this one is one that I recommend to use because it's a good SD card. You see here that I have the capacity, 32 gigabytes, and also the speed. You just need to grab the correct SD card because it's not just about the capacity. The card needs to be fast enough to record the high resolution footage from the camera, okay? So I get this one and put there in the camera. It's super simple. Let me just bring the camera here and then I can show the location of the SD card, okay? I just need to move this up, all the way up, just right here. And then you see the location for the micro SD card, okay? And here, with the Lexar card, I'm gonna put that way. You see here, it's written here, micro SD card. You just need to face the same way here, right? That way, put it here. Just push it until you hear a click, and then it's good to go. Just move this back gently.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
And as you can hear, the camera just talked to you that you just need to format the SD card. I'll just put it here again. And now you see that's close to the window back there, right? Then I just need to come here to my app and format the SD card. Let me just come back here to the main screen, and here on the menu, just come to storage and recording. And here you see the SD card. It's not formatted yet. Just come here, tap on format my microSD card and confirm. Just wait for it to format. Depending on the size that you have, it's going to take a longer time. You see here, this is pretty fast. Just got to 90%, just need to wait for a while. Sometimes it stays there for a while. It stays in 5% and then it goes to 90 and there we go. It's formatted successfully. And you see the card's good. You see here loop recording. It's enabled here, which means the camera is going to record in a loop. It's going to delete old videos and record the new ones. So you will always have footage recorded, all right? Then just come back here and check the schedule. You see here that I have recordings with detection and also with continuous, which means I can just record without motion in front of the camera on those days here or at that time, okay? I can just edit here if I want to and just clear all. You see here, so it's not recording anymore, or I can select all and select continuous recording or detection recording. That's the way it comes from the factory, right? The default settings are like this. I just hit save here, and that's the way to go. So let me just come back. Here, just make sure that I have local recording enabled and also sound recording. Come back here and just make sure that I have detection enabled as well for the entire area. There we go. And here, you have detection type, motion, person, path detection, vehicle, facial recognition, line crossing detection, camera tampering, which is blocking the camera. Somebody blocks the camera, you're gonna trigger an alarm. The camera is going to trigger an alarm and record. And also if they sprays the camera, for example. And here have also baby crying, glass break, dog barks, and cat meows. Just come here and also check the sensitivity. 1 is less sensitive and 10 is more sensitive, all right? Just leave it at 6. Make sure that you have for a person as well, and you're good to go. Now the camera will start recording and you can come here to the main screen on playback and download. And from here, you're gonna see the recording. You see that I have something already recorded there. I just put the card, so I just have one recording, okay? And you can just expand this as well to check what you have here. There we go, okay? So it's basically working. That's the way you can insert an SD card on this camera, the Tapo C260. The slot is just right here. Just move the lens all the way up, insert the card, format the card, and you're good to go. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and give your thumbs up. See you in the next one.